Are you a video editing enthusiast looking to elevate your content creating games? Well, you are in for a treat today. We are diving into the world of CapCut, the popular video editing app, to see how it has evolved over time. In this captivating showdown, we'll be comparing the features of the old version 5.8.3 against the latest and greatest 6.9.2. Get ready to edit like never before. Join us in the ultimate CapCut showdown. See you in the video. So in this updated version, there are a lot of new features, new templates, and new effects are added. Meanwhile, this 5.8.3, I don't know what kind of version you are using, but for me it was 5.8 and this is 6.902. So just go back to any of your project and I go to this one. These are two different projects, and as you scroll this one, it's almost similar, but whenever you on this new updated, this one updated, remember I show you here, that is motion blur. In this motion blur, you can just get something. For example, you're gonna simply just brush this place and make it visible. You can check it around. I will capture another video how to use this overlay. It's just a comparison. What this new feature does, basically from the overlay section, it will show you only the part which you want to show in the video. Brush that part. This will like show only that particular area which I brush and allow this CapCut to show. There are other options as well, like in the effect section. If you go to effect section and video effects, in these video effects you will find some new effects are added. Here I'm using this one and these are basic and Halloween and details, but here I can't see much more. And in the filter there are, once again in my app this doesn't show much, but here are some texture, logs and bright and nature, and other features are also added. And yeah, this one you can check around, like nice one. This one, night features and these kind of things. In the stickers there are some new one as well, as I can see here. If I scroll and vlog and like PLOG, these kind of stickers are, you can see there are new features added there. Motion blur, and if I click on this one, there is no motion blur here. Look, this is freeze, this is the last graph, and here if you see it's freeze, it's motion blur, and then there is no motion blur in the older version. Blur the background and the overlay section as well. And the other one, if you just go reduce noise, this one here, right, so it has no reduced noise. And in the background section, like check video effects, there are some new video effects are added. If you go to funny and is smooth, maybe sometimes it's because of the VPN I can't access this one. Now cutouts, this is very much important, guys. It has cutouts for the background and you can customize. This is very nice tool. This one has no cutouts. It has only remove a background. You just simply press one and you will remove the background, like I do this one. The background has been removed. But here there are three chroma key, customized cutouts, and background remover. This one here, and brush this one here, and it will show only that area in a video. So this is how it works. But this one has like only remove background, one option. But in the updated version, this is very nice tool. If I play, wow, click on this one and split it into two parts, and now you just go to this one, forward, backward, and for the both clips. So this one you can do it here, and boom, the background has been blurred. If I check, look, the background has, that's a blur background. That's how it works. And there are so many other new features, guys. I cannot explain all of those features in one video. You can go to the updated version and check around. You can also export like 4K, that's the same one. There are so many nice tools right now in the updated CapCut version. I'm doing it on iPhones and you can try using Android. And in the meantime, if I show you, I have it on my laptop PC as well. So I'll do another tutorial for the laptop PC, but today you can just check around, and I recommend to update CapCut for the new features and new techniques. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.